From India's pioneers to world F&B tech leaders, 200 plus robotic innovations, 50 plus live, built for scale.
Presenting Just BLR Matrix.
Meet RoboBar, one arm, endless possibilities. Well, we have a robotic cocktail-mocktail station. Cocktails, mocktails, juice, liquor, all-in-one ultimate bar station. Automatic cocktail-mocktail shaker, the only shaker that follows SOPs better than humans. Here we have our portable do-it-yourself cocktail-mocktail bot. Your table, your pour from our bot. It's amazing cocktails, mocktails and shooters. Super chill mug, from warm to verve in minutes. The Frost Revolution.
This is our super chilled cocktail mocktail mug.
This automatic one-touch beer dispenser gives digital pour of beer with digital programming of carbon dioxide. Centimeter craft ice cube machine. Craft cocktails need craft ice. Meet India's first under-counter craft ice cube production machine. Drinks on the refrigerated live wedding tray. Zero pilferage, zero burst and zero temperature loss.
Here is our glass chiller cum edible ice machine.
From shots to bots, from prep to plate, from entry to settlement, Just BLR Matrix is the world's first complete F&B automation ecosystem.